The Boxer ISM system includes one door closer for the active leaf, connecting arm, slide block and a gate rail. With this mechanism connected to this is for the active leaf and also a cover plate at the end. Then you have another gate rail with a long black mechanism here, a long slide block and a connecting arm and a second boxer. This entire thing is for the inactive leaf. This also comes with a rope, end caps and other screws required for this installation. This will be coming upside down like this, and for this the slide block will have a slanting cut here, you can see, and the other side is plain, and the slanting cut should move from this area in this fashion. You have to ensure that the slide block is positioned at this stage only when the door is fully closed. If the cutout for the gate rail is wrong, this may happen that when the door is fully closed, this will try to be here, but which is not proper. It should be in this position only. It could be little less also, no problem. And coming to the inactive leaf, as we have seen this bigger slide block will be inserted from here with the plastic portion facing this mechanism, and this will be totally moved in this fashion when the door is fully closed. Now next is the rope assembly. Now to connect the rope assembly, the rope has got a ball at one of the end, which is to be inserted into the groove what you have here and connected it. Then you have to route through this hole, and further the free end will be inserted through a small hole at the bottom. Which will come on the other side of the roller what you have. After this has to be taken out, and you have got one screw here which is to be loosened, and the cable will be, after inserting below the screw, the free end of the cable will come, which is to be pulled out, and then this screw is used to tighten this after the final adjustment. Now let us tighten this after keeping this. Now the screw is tightened, and look at this place of this lever. This will be at an angle towards this and not parallel like this. So this will be slanting in this direction. Now once active leaf gets closed, this will be the position, and once the inactive leaf gets closed, this will be the position. The inactive leaf, once you connect this block is free to move, and after connecting the connecting arm with the door closer and other end of the connecting arm with the slide block, once you leave the door will come and close by pushing this block. Once the door is fully closed, leave it at this stage, and once you open the door, only this will come, leaving this plastic here only. Now you can keep this position by using this Allen key. You have to tighten this so that it doesn't move further. The other screw also, there are two screws which you have to tighten, and once this is tightened, now this plastic block will not move from its position. You also got a small adjustment screw here which can be used for further giving fine tuning for the tension of the rope by using a 5mm Allen key. Now once this is completed, the position of the door when it is fully closed is in this, like this, and coming here in this, since this is totally fixed, you need not to do any adjustment. Only thing you have to ensure that this is reaching in this stage and not beyond this black point when the door is fully closed. After the rope is inserted, the free end has to be pulled to keep them in line, and also see that this is taken through this gap. If there is no cutout taken on the transom for this rope, you may have to take a small cutout and put a beading so that the rope is safely passed through the beading. And after this, once you finish this, give sufficient tightness. Ensure that this is in this position only and not parallel, towards sliding little bit the natural position. After ensuring that this is in the natural position, pull the rope through one hand and using a screwdriver tighten this screw so that the rope is fully secured in its position. After tightening it fully, then you have to cut this free end and throw the rest of the rope. Now your door is ready to use. Let us see, once this is in normal position and this door is in the open position, both the doors are in the open position. Once you close the active leaf, the active leaf will not close. You can see this will not close unless your inactive leaf closes. In the inactive leaf, this is how inactive leaf is getting closed. After coming its end of the travel, this will ride over this mechanism and this will move in this direction. Once it is in this direction, you can see here, once it moves, the mechanism is getting pulled here, and once it is pulled, your active leaf is free to close. As soon as it moves out of its place, this is again becomes stiff, the active leaf will not be able to close.